On the night of Wednesday, February 25th, West Vancouver Secondary was the setting for the 2015 Howe Senior Boys AAA basketball final as the Windsor Dukes squared off against the hard-charging Sutherland Sabers. The Dukes had won the regular season with a 5-1 record. 3-3 Sabres fought their way in during the round robin and were trying for the upset. In opening play, Windsor had the Sabres on their heels, shutting down their attack and racking up the points. Sutherland came on in the second period, outscoring the Dukes 16-9. Windsor led at the half by 6, but the momentum was on the Sabres' side. In the third, the Sabres came out shooting and the chase was on. The Sabres pulled within 3. The Dukes responded. By the end of the period, Windsor led by 1 point. In the fourth, both sides poured it on. And fought for every possession. The Sabres charged late and trailed by 4 with under 30 seconds to go. Windsor made it 5. Quickly. Sutherland pulled within 3 points, but that was as close as they would get. Cody Bailey led the Sabres attack with 13 points, while Spencer Howe added 11. Windsor's Thomas Bush led all scoring with 20 points, while Michael Holowati knocked in 14. Final score, Windsor Dukes 58, Sutherland Sabers 55. At the postgame, the 2015 AAA Quinn Keast Memorial Scholarship was awarded by Jamie Keast to Windsor's Brandon Myers. The Windsor Dukes, your 2015 Howe Sound Senior Boys AAA basketball champions. Congratulations to the players, coaches, families, and supporters, and good luck in the provincial playoffs. Get all the highlights from all the games at nsnews.com.